everyone! So I'm going to show you how you can replace your document on your LoudDoc. So to start, you'll need to be on your dashboard, and on your dashboard, you'll need to find your LoudDoc and then click the replace button on it. So in today's instance, I'll be using Realtor Newsletter, and I will click the replace button on Realtor Newsletter. Following that, click the big orange button called Select File. Find and open your new document in your LoudDoc. Then you'll be taken to a new page where LoudDoc will ask if you'd like to keep or remove any existing page enhancements from your LoudDoc. And what a page enhancement is essentially a sticker or a link hotspot or some work that you've put into your LoudDoc following uploading it. Since I have no page enhancements on my LoudDoc, I am just going to keep it at the default option of Keep Enhancements. Then I'll click Complete. The process of uploading and replacing a document onto LoudDoc is roughly the same in that they need to convert each page, and then at the end they'll open up your new LoudDoc in a small preview window that you can flip through and interact with. Another interesting to note is that at the top in the link area, you'll see that your domain name has not changed. Replacing your LoudDoc does not change your domain name. That will need to be done separately. But once you're done replacing your LoudDoc, you can continue on to design to continue customizing your presentation, or we can return back to dashboard. And that's how you replace a LoudDoc on your dashboard. Thank you for listening, everyone.